Budweiser is arguably one of the most popular beers in the United States, but few know about the drama involved with its Czech roots. A tour of the Budvar brewery walks visitors through the beer brewing process, with a recipe for beer dating back over 7 centuries, and sheds light on the brand and name war in the Story of Budweiser Beer exhibit. Whether Budweis and Budvar are the same or different is up to you. Contemplate the controversy over a beer poured directly from kegs in the lager storeroom, or visit the massive beer hall at Masné Krámy instead. České Budějovice isn't all about beer though. The city is home to one of the largest squares in Europe, Přemysla Otakara II Square, which is exactly 1 hectare, 2.47 acres. It's here visitors will find the Samson fountain, and Baroque architecture, with shops, cafes, and pubs selling Budvar. Legend has it, the Black Tower has skeleton who would ring the death bell in place of lazy tower guards. Visitors can climb the tower today if they are brave enough to not get spooked. Getting there, trains run approximately every half hour from Praha Hlavní nádraží. Buses also frequently depart from Praha Florenc. Both modes take approximately 2 hours to reach the city. Travel tip: České Budějovice used to be a central hub for the salt trade, and many shops offer salt as a gift to take home. The medieval salt house was recently restored inside and is a prized piece of architecture in the area. It once stored salt that was en route to other European destinations, but today it is home to the restaurant Solnice, which honors the building's history while serving contemporary dishes.